What is Turing AI? Quantitative robot. Quantitative trading is called automatic trading, which refers to the use of advanced digital models to replace self-subjective judgment, which greatly reduces the impact of investor sentiment fluctuation and avoids making irrational decisions under the influence of market fanaticism or pessimism. There are many types of quantitative trading, including cross-platform moving breaks, hedging, trend trading. Cross-platform moving breaks refers to when the target price difference of different platforms reaches a certain amount. Selling on high-priced platforms and buying on low-priced platforms makes the trend trading more complicated. It sends out buy and sell signals based on trend indicators. Hedging refers to two transactions at the same time, and the opposite number of transactions related to the market is similar to the profit and loss transactions. In order to achieve the effect of hedging risks, quantitative trading is a sign of a major market trading market. How does Turing AI robot work? Cryptocurrency presents a 724-hour non-stop and unlimited rise and fall mechanism, which is characterized by rapid changes. How to capture profits in complex market conditions. Robot strategy is particularly important. The robot for rising market starts tracking profit, and the robot for falling market automatically starts tracking and opening positions. When the market rises sharply, you can take multiple stop profits. When the market falls sharply, the robot will make a quick stop loss mechanism. That is, no matter how the market changes, the robot will respond to the greatest degree of resistance to the market to obtain income, according to a fixed algorithm and theoretically the best logical method to analyze, judge, and integrate the real-time transaction data of major exchanges around the world. According to the differences in the mainstream currency prices of major central exchanges, buy at low prices and sell at high prices are the theoretical best trading principle for financial management, and the spreads can be earned from them so as to achieve the purpose of profiting for financial planners. Turing AI intelligence robot, combining digital assets transaction data, Turing machine, Savio-Adelaide combination, and Bollinger Band indicators, integrating accurate and error-free automatic code running on the cloud server, connecting to major exchanges through a high single API interface. 30 days and 20 hours automatically operate for users while resetting. Each transaction order is within milliseconds, grasps the moment when the market rises and falls to carry out arbitrage. This action is repeated hundreds of times infinitely. Intelligent robots do not predict the future market of currency, only respond to the declines and rises. Trends include rising, flat, and falling. When it rises, smart robots buy and sell to make a profit. Observe in the sideways and how smart robots respond and make profit when the market currency price drops. This reflects a Turing machine using machines to simulate humans using paper and pen to perform mathematical operations. The process is the essence of automated trading. What is the Turing machine? Turing machine, also known as deterministic Turing machine, is a mathematical logic machine processed by British mathematician Alan Turing in 1933 to abstract human computational behavior. It's more abstract, meaning it's a calculator model, which can be regarded as the automated powerful logic machine, equivalent to any finite logical mathematical process. Turing AI robot single API. The Turing AI robot is different from the traditional robots on the market. It uses a single API interface to make the robot work fast. The traditional robots on the market created an API interface for each user. Cryptocurrency exchanges for robot trading are restricted, and the robots cannot achieve the best results. In order to avoid users from cumbersome operations such as replenishment and callback, all operations are handed over to robots. Single API is the amount of the robot order you deposited. Turing AI settlement system will automatically allocate all robots. All robots are connected to an API interface. For example, if you use robot number 5 after you deposit $10,000 the Turing AI settlement system will automatically allocate it to your robot. When you suspend the robot walk, The other amount will immediately return to the Turing AI settlement system, and the robot will earn profits. It will be settled to the Turing AI settlement system through our partners. When you want to withdraw USDT, you can directly pass it to you through the Turing AI settlement system. When you want to withdraw RM, the Turing AI settlement system will convert USDT through a third-party payment company settled to you for RM. The advantages of a single API interface. The funds flow back quickly, and there is no need to surprise a large amount of cash flow, and users can choose their own convenient settlement method. The robot can maximize profits for users, and the robot work is not restricted by the API interface. Single API organizations will have the following advantages: Refinitiv cutting-edge technology and real-time network access to authentication services and compliance screening, access to complete set of registration, payment, identity, compliance, screening, and mobile solutions built on a single platform, ability to proactively identify and mitigate traditional and emerging risks, including payment, identity, and supplier fraud, money laundering, bribery, and corruption, and law enforcement and fines. Be able to solve the new and more sophisticated threats of fraud, including identity theft, synthetic identity fraud real name, amount takeover, commercial email compromise, and others, as well as to better attract and retain customers, maintain their reputation, and protect the supply chain and supplier relationships. Single API partner. Refinitiv, one of the world's largest financial market data and infrastructure providers, announced that the EPIC platforms of the GIACT and WorldCheck are now integrated and can be accessed through a single API. This integration combines WorldCheck's comprehensive risk intelligence with GIACT's unprecedented capabilities to provide a multidimensional view of consumer and corporate identity, payment, and compliance risks throughout the customer lifecycle. According to the data from 8 Group, in the past 2 years, nearly half, 47% of American consumers have been affected by identity theft, and losses incurred in 2020 increased by 42% year-on-year to $712.4 billion. Meanwhile, traditional and emerging fraud risks, as well as complex compliance requirements, have brought record-breaking financial losses and reputation risks to organizations in almost every industry. The announced integration will address various fraud and risk-related threats and efficiencies by combining industry-leading solutions into a single API that can be deployed throughout the organization. 10 years, the conventional solution fails to adequately protect financial institutions, business and consumers from identity and payment fraud. Refinitiv Digital Identity and James Murphy, Global Head of Fraud Solution said, "Until today, no one can provide fraud and risk mitigation solutions that span the customer lifecycle." Refinitiv has responded to the industry's call to combine the powerful function of the EPIC platform and WorldCheck into a single integrated solution to eliminate fraud prevention, the process of vulnerability, help protect financial institutions, business, government entities, and others from the largest fraud threats, and improve customer experience through the fact-based real-time decisions.